Ever since Facebook Group changed its name to Meta, we've been hearing the word metaverse all over the internet. Metaverse, as Mark Zuckerberg explains, is a set of virtual spaces where you can create and explore with other people who aren't in the same physical space as you. This groundbreaking technology looks promising, but what impact would it have on the health industry, specifically surgeries? If you're looking for the answer to this, then stick around, as in today's episode of TechWave, we're diving deep into the topic of surgery in the metaverse. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. In October of 2021, Facebook shook the world by announcing that it would be switching its name to Meta. The news broke the internet, and people all over the world started talking about the future of Facebook and why the company felt the need to change its name. These questions were answered by the CEO of Meta himself, Mr. Mark Zuckerberg. While addressing the users, Zuckerberg explained his vision about Meta and how he wanted to rebrand Facebook's public image. Zuckerberg wanted to change Facebook from a battered social network to a tech innovator focused on building the next generation of online interaction known as the Metaverse. The Metaverse is a digital universe where individuals can interact with each other and own digital assets. However, it goes beyond that, as Metaverse includes blockchain, augmented reality, virtual reality, and game theory. In the Metaverse, you can create your own virtual avatar and connect with people throughout the three-dimensional world. In simple words, the Metaverse is a set of virtual spaces where you can connect virtually with people miles away from you. The Metaverse is highly dependent on virtual and augmented reality. To strengthen their roots in this, Meta acquired Oculus in 2014. Since the acquisition, Oculus has shifted its attention toward the healthcare sector and is now working on the practical implementation of virtual reality in healthcare. Healthcare, since the starting, meant physical interaction between a doctor and a patient, where a patient would physically visit a doctor to get diagnosed, treated, or operated on. However, things drastically changed during the COVID pandemic, as we were supposed to practice social distancing and stay at our homes. Now, this led to patients connecting virtually with their doctors through various telecommunication mediums. The ability to consult your doctor without physically visiting was a total game changer, and the Metaverse aims to revolutionize this by taking it one step further. Oculus collaborated with the WHO Academy on a project to help healthcare professionals during the pandemic. They collaborated on developing a mobile application that helped healthcare professionals in effectively managing COVID-19 patients using virtual reality. The application provided an immersive experience of COVID-19 standard operating procedures, like how to use as well as discard a PPE kit, as well as other things. This collaboration helped medical practitioners from all over the world in tackling COVID-19. The VR technology by Oculus is also revolutionizing how institutions teach healthcare to their students. At the University of Connecticut, students are taught complex surgical procedures using VR headsets and simulations. Through these simulations, they can perfect these procedures to enhance their skills efficiently. The University of Connecticut has specially developed simulations for various medical procedures so that students can practice multiple techniques at any time. This technology, however, is not only limited to students, as proficient surgeons can also utilize this technology to prepare for complex surgeries. A great example would be the surgery of Brazilian conjoined twins Arthur and Bernardo. Arthur and Bernardo were born craniophagus, which means they were connected to each other with fused skulls and intertwined brains that share vital veins. The probability of this is 1 in 60,000, and even fewer if they're joined cranially. The medical experts, after analyzing the case, decided to call off the surgery, as the chances of it succeeding were relatively low. However, the medical staff from Rio's Instituto Estadual do Cerebro Paulo Niemeyer didn't lose hope, and collaborated with London-based surgeon Noor ul Awase Jilani of Gemini Untwined. They were looking forward to achieving success in the surgery by rehearsing the painstaking procedure through advanced virtual reality. The process started with collecting data and CT and MRI scans to create a 3D and virtual reality model of the twins' brains. The model would help them better study their brain's anatomy to develop a strategy for the surgery. The 3D model, after being prepared, was forwarded to the international medical team that spent months preparing the procedures for the surgery. Here, the biggest contribution of Metaverse arises in this case, as the surgical team conducted a cross-continental trial surgery using virtual reality. The team from different parts of the world connected on a virtual platform to test and fine-tune the techniques required for the surgery. They precisely marked where to make the incisions and how to reconstruct skin and tissues to separate the twins. After 7 surgeries and hours of struggle, the team was finally able to safely separate Arthur and Bernardo. The entire team was very pleased about the operation being a success, as the success rate was pretty low. A statement released by Gemini Untwined mentions the separation was the most challenging to date. At almost 4 years old, Arthur and Bernardo were also the oldest craniopagus twins with a fused brain to be separated, bringing added complications. With the help of virtual reality and the metaverse, Gilani and team were able to minimize the risks involved and successfully execute the surgery. This implementation of the metaverse technology in surgeries would surely assist medical professionals in successfully executing more critical surgeries. However, apart from virtual reality and augmented reality, there is a third technology that is often overlooked but will become an essential part of the metaverse. This is known as telepresence or telerobotics. Telepresence uses remote robots to bring users to a distant place where they can look around and perform complex tasks while staying at their true location. Telepresence can be of great significance in the healthcare sector, as doctors can manually control robots at a distant place and perform complex surgical procedures. A company named Endiatix created Pillbot, a tiny remote-controlled submarine the size of a multivitamin that sends real-time video back to a doctor's computer or phone. This is an ingestible pill that can help doctors in effectively viewing the digestive tract inside the human body without the need for cables or other complex procedures. Unlike other pills, Pillbot is an efficient device that can navigate inside the human stomach like a drone and help doctors perform endoscopies more efficiently. This technology would significantly impact medical procedures, as doctors will be able to perform complex endoscopies at a fraction of the cost. Pillbot is just a snippet of what significant importance telepresence holds in the future. Although telepresence has a long way to go, it's a technology that can completely transform surgical procedures in the metaverse. Well, that's all about surgeries in the metaverse for now. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section below. While you're there, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more intuitive videos like this one. Until then, have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.